Aries, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of July 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use this Love Oracle deck right here. To wrap up this reading, I will use the Vintage Wisdom Oracle cards by Victoria Mosley. This is the deck right before you. Archangel Raphael is also another deck that I'm being called upon to use for July. Aries, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Aries, let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of June, stepping into July 2021, we have the Hangman. It's quite likely that in these final days you were under a lot of pressure. Maybe excess work had taken a toll on your health as well. Financial issues may have also created discord in your relationship. You may have felt that you were sacrificing yourself or your expectations were not met. Possibly some Aries, you may also have been in a state of suspension over a decision. Nonetheless, Aries, you were also quite charitably disposed towards other people. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Emperor energy. This is your energy, Aries. I think you're being called upon to take care of your health in this month as well. Aries, you will also be in a very competitive mode. You want to get a lot of things done. It's best to collaborate with other people rather than be too set in your ways. Maybe you're also somebody who's coming across as being overbearing or dogmatic. A cooperative approach will definitely benefit you greatly. Influences for this month, we have the Seven of Wands energy. Sometimes you may find yourself being caught up in the problems of your family. It is advisable to seek the help of your angels or your archangels. Also, Aries, I think you should not jump to conclusions, though at times you do have apprehensions and they seem to come true. This is also the month when you will find your loved ones promoting your talents. Ideally, it would benefit you a great deal if you would get hold of the contract before you proceed with the work so that you don't feel as though you have been taken for a ride. While working also, you may be a bit distracted or you could lack focus because there are visitors or there are guests. I think you should also keep in mind that there could be changes in your schedule, so you have to have a very flexible and adaptable approach. The first 10 days of July, we do have the Seven of Cups. I think you have choices before you. Or you may also be gripped by nostalgia, and this time you may be deliberating about your future. There could also be a female figure who could stir up trouble. Like I said, you should avoid ego issues or ego hassles, and this person may threaten to undermine your position, possibly at work. That is why you could be a bit disturbed and perturbed. I think your superior or people around you could also want you to be more cooperative. You're quite creative and intuitive in this period, but then criticism could also unnerve you and could make you very emotional. Perhaps Aries, you could be asked to do some soul searching. I think Aries, if you want to achieve your ends, then you would be better served if you cooperate with others. There are jealous colleagues or there could be a jealous superior as well who could put impediments in your path. Towards 11th to 20th July, we have the Page of Swords energy. Definitely, this is a time when you'll be quite forceful. You will want to cut through the obstacles. Some of you may also be contemplating about going out of town on account of higher education or on account of a work offer. I think there could be disagreements with family members over your plans or about your future or your decisions, especially with the father figure. Work-related equipment or gadgets could also lead to quarrels amongst family members or colleagues. Nevertheless, I think in this time you will be quite pushy when it comes to promoting your talents. You want to take the matters headlong, you want to force the issue. It would be best if you would make allowances rather than let go of the opportunities that are coming your way this month. Bookkeeping, accountancy work, banking work will also take up your time. Towards the final days of July, we have the Chariot card. And we did clarify the Chariot, so we have the Two of Wands. Be prepared for movement towards the final days. In fact, the energy flow is such that you will be up and about this month. Definitely, you require support to overcome the challenges that are there. I think you will also be someone who will be kindly disposed towards everybody around you. You will help them out. Technical issues could also come about in this time. Sometimes, you could be a bit depressed because you have little means and you feel that your career is making no headway. There could be discussions with your confidant about what you should do in life. If you are making your way for an interview, Aries, I think you should be more polite. Basically, it's money that motivates you and you want to progress. And if money is denied to you at work, then you'll definitely be demoralized. While dealing with clients, also, you could be a bit worried whether your ideas will be approved. Ideally, I think you should negotiate and have your way. Even surprises are going to be there in store for you. Towards these final days, Aries, you can also expect reunions. Maybe you could also make those shopping trips, or you will want to declutter. This month, Aries, you should also work on your relationship with your father. With respect to your love life, Aries, we do have the card complicated. I think in case you're in a connection, this relationship could leave you in knots. Maybe it's a complicated affair, or you could be in a third party situation. That is why it could be a bit messy. Largely, I think you have to untangle rather than be all tied up in knots. I think there's a possibility of a work related romance for many Aries in case you're single. You're definitely coming across as someone who's quite intelligent. That is why the opposite sex is going to be charmed by you. At times, you could also be gripped by nostalgia, so maybe you're going to check up on your past admirers. Maybe you think that you had your chances with respect to love, but then you did not take them. Nevertheless, there'll be those admirers, there'll be people who are going to be taken up by your charm and your beauty. I think one particular admirer could also drop hints. He's definitely going to try very hard to impress you. Aries, you may be somebody who's going to hold yourself back. Maybe you think that this person who's showing an interest in you could leave you in a messy situation. That is why we do have the complicated card. Maybe there are going to be limitations surrounding this romance if you go ahead with it. Though true love is in the offing, you may turn your back towards it. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you may feel as though it's a dead end. Maybe this person's journey is completely different from your own. Nevertheless, I think Aries, you will continue to cyberstalk this person. Maybe on the social media, you will try to understand his thoughts. Incidentally, many of you could also leave somebody heartbroken. I think the possibility of an ex-flame reaching out to you and reconfirming his feelings is also there for many of you. But then you could leave this person heartbroken. That is why we did have this card complicated right here. Romancing Aries, I think you should weigh your words very carefully. You should be more romantic with each other than be formal with your choice of words. Sometimes, you may feel as though it's always you who's initiating the conversation. There is true love in the offing, so you should be more romantically disposed towards your person. Oftentimes, I think your lover is also somebody who's going to make the effort. He could surprise you with gifts, or he could plan a trip because we do have the Chariot card. Maybe you're making travel plans with this person. Discussions could also revolve around work for many of you. In case you're married, I think you should be mindful of the fact that there could be a heated exchange with your partner. Maybe criticism could affect you. Aries, in case you're in an unhappy connection, I think suspicion could affect this relationship. Maybe you will voice your reservations if your person or your partner is talking to a member of the opposite sex. Another thing, Aries, in case yours is a secret romance or in case you're in an extramarital relationship, then you should be very careful because the chances of your affair being busted are very high this month. From the vintage Wisdom Oracle cards, we do have this card, Hope. Hope is something which keeps us going even if situation is bleak or even if things are falling apart. Your angels are asking you to keep praying. When things go haywire or when they look very bleak, you're being called upon to soldier on, not to give up. I think you're being asked to try one more time. You have to be strong from within. Hope will definitely give you new perspective. Maybe some of you also need to reevaluate what you're hoping for. From Archangel Raphael, we do have the card Have Faith. This is interesting. We did have hope here and we have faith here. Like I said, Aries, you have to take care of your health this month. There could be health issues which could bother you. So even if you are in such a situation, Archangel Raphael is asking you to pray or to ask the angels to step in. You can expect miracles. Besides, with faith, everything is possible. You can move mountains. Prayer will help you enormously. There's no point worrying about the situation that you find yourself in because it could complicate matters for you. I think you have to have faith in any situation. Maybe you should distance yourself from naysayers and only listen to positive words. Aries, you should also listen to your inner voice, which can never be wrong. Definitely, this is a recurring message in your reading. With hope and with faith, Aries, you can climb every mountain. I hope, Aries, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.